Everybody, welcome back to NiteNite Reactions. We're continuing with Steely Dan's 2002 album, Two Against Nature. The next track is the title track, Two Against Nature. Let's get to it. Bossa Nova.
With roasted chicken wine. I brought a little gyro, very Gary, sprinkling checking what I gonna hustle free. Beautiful housewife in deep distress, especially you deserve the very best. Two against nature, they got that stuff. Good things happening and you see about it. Two against nature, love this gig. Let the weeds be far.
to Against Nature. I'll be honest, it's not one of my favorite Steely Dan tracks. Musically, it was technically sound. It had an interesting bossa nova Latin beat to it. Not too big on the lyrics and not too big on the length of the song. But, to each his own. Not every song is going to be a hit. Not every song is going to be embraced by everybody in the fan base. Most songs I do like. This one was just kind of mad to me. But we're going to move on and take a run at the rest of the album. And please like, subscribe, and hit the alert button to stay up to date. And as usual, please leave me a comment. Have a great night. My name is Eric, and I'm an astrophotographer.